All right, wonderful people, let's begin. So if you have 3 points there, first it tells you something easy to do. It tells you, and I guess I'll do it on the board because I don't want to, I'm recording here and I have a bazillion things connected to it. And so let me go ahead and just make sure I'm seen on the board as I do it. Instead of just seeing my forehead the whole time. So it points there at the board. So it says find the coordinates of the midpoints of AB. And so I'm assuming AB are 2 and 5 and 5 and 1. So let's do that first. So why is writing like that? Wait, it has to write thicker. All right, so let me erase that part. So it says find it. So we have A here. Here's how I would do the question. 2, 5, and B is 5, -1. And I'll find the midpoints real quick. It's x of 1 plus x of 2 divided by 2, comma, y is of 1 plus y is of 2 divided by 2. Go ahead and do that. That's 2 plus 5 divided by 2. And that's 5 plus -1 divided by 2. So that's 7 divided by 2, comma, 4 divided by 2. So you can leave it like that. 7 divided by 2, comma, 2 is probably the best way to leave it as. You know, or you can write, 3.5 and comma 2, whatever that is. All right, so we just found our midpoint. That is our midpoint for sure. Make this doll a little bigger. Make sense? So that's 1 point. They don't even think that's worth more than 1 point. And it really is, shouldn't be worth that much. And so this is find the equation of the line through C perpendicular to AB. Give your answer in the form of AX plus BY plus C equals 0. See, there's enough space right here just to put it there. So find the equation of the line through C perpendicular to AB. So let's find first the slope of AB. Agreed? So we have AB here on the side. I'll just write MAB. Maybe you should rewrite your points, but I'm not going to do that. So we're going to have y is of 2 minus y is of 1 over x of 2 minus x of 1. Let's reference this over here. X of 1, y is of 1, x of 2, y is of 2. So we have -1 minus 5 divided by 5 minus 2. Make sure we have things in the right order. 1 minus 5 divided by 5 minus 2. That's going to be -6 divided by 3. So the slope that's between A and B is -2. Now, a few things, and this is important. Some of you might want to do a quick sketch of the points so you can visualize this. Right? We want to visualize this. Because the question is worth 3 points, so we might want to visualize this. So I would, before I even continue, I would actually try and do a quick sketch of this situation. So 2, 5. This is A. 5, -1. I mean, you don't have to do this, but it's a good idea. That's a pretty thin line. And then C is 8, 6. C is up here somewhere. So just to go over strategy here. Let's go over strategy. And I hope that the thing can hear me. I'm pretty far away. If we go over strategy here, we know, I don't know why I did that. We know that the slope of this line here is what? What is that slope going to be? It's perpendicular. So what is it? 1 over 2. Because it'll be the negative reciprocal of that. But we also need what else? We need another point, don't we? We need that point. Or can we just do it with this guy? So, let me make sure this is written correctly. This is a 6 times. I don't know why it is 6. All you need is a point and a slope. Any point will do. Any point will do. You don't need this one. You would have needed this one if it was the perpendicular bisector. That's what you were thinking. You were thinking that this and this were. But you don't need it. If it's not a perpendicular bisector, you don't need it. Okay, fair enough? So all you need right now is you'd say, okay, y minus y is 1 equals m times x minus x is 1. This is called what? What form is this called? Point slope. We got the slope, which is half. Got the x of 1. We got the y's of 1. We're careful with our signs. Now, they wanted an ax plus by plus c form. So we're going to do some manipulation here. Y minus 6 equals half x minus 4. And then we just have this as y equals half x plus 2. And make sure that over there it's visible too, because I can't tell. Yeah, it's visible. Got plenty of space. So, and then you just, move the y over, half x minus y plus 2 equals 0. Now, to have this form properly written, a, b, and c have to be integers, but a has to be positive, which is good in this place. So we just multiply everything by 2. So we multiply everything by 2, we end up with x minus 2y plus 4 equals to 0, and you got your 3 points. Congratulations. Does that make sense? Make sense? No, it doesn't make sense. What doesn't make sense?
How do you go from half x down?
Oh, I multiplied everything
Yeah,
by
I know you multiply like by 2, because why?
Because ax plus by plus c equals 0, a, b, and c have to be integers. So a, b, and c have to be integers. That's it. Right? And a has to be positive. That's all you gotta remember.
Why by 2?
Because that's an easy way for me to get rid of the
Oh,
okay
okay.
of the denominator. Questions and concerns? Pretty easy. Am I being thorough enough for you guys? Again, I want you guys to pass the test at the end of the year. More importantly, I'm more worried if I'm able to teach consistently throughout the year without degrading your performance. That can happen. It just gets tiresome. And that you guys increase your skills. That's very important. Very important. That's probably the most important thing. Okay. So, I don't have time for the next one. So just know those things. Fair enough? All right, so let me stop this recording.